Hi everyone, in front of me I've got T-Phone 6 Pro and let me share with you how to clear the browser on this device. So first of all, let's open the browser, and in my case it will be Google Chrome. So let's enter, and here basically all we have to do is to simply tap on the three dots icon in the right upper corner. I know that right now you cannot see the three dots icon, but no worries, it's right here where this arrow icon appears. So let's tap, and as you can see it's right here. So let's tap and enter the history. And as you can see right here, we've got the list of all previously visited websites. So of course, if you want to, you can remove them manually, one by one, just by tapping on this X button right next to it. So it will be useful if you want to remove just like 1, 2, or 3 different websites. But if in your case this is so wide, and if you'd like to remove actually everything, I highly recommend to simply tap on Clear Browsing Data. And here we've got some basic and advanced options. And in basics, we've got browsing history, cookies and site data, and cached images and files. And in advanced, we've got also saved passwords, autofill from data, and site settings. So if you want to remove something, just make sure that it is marked. So I will mark everything. I want to remove everything. What's more, we can change the time range from last hour to last, for example, 24 hours or even all time. So let me pick Actually, you have to pick the option you want to and tap on Clear Data. And as you can see, the history is empty, which simply means that we just successfully removed actually everything. So basically that's all. This is how to clear the browser in your T-Phone 6 Pro. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.